why AI is the best partner for modern affiliate marketer. AI isn't replacing affiliates, it's multiplying their results. I'm Kuchade here. Let's talk smart work, not hard work. Point number one, AI saves time in terms of research, writing, and designing. In terms of research, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you find product details, audience pain points, and fresh content ideas in minutes, things that used to take hours. In researching, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you find product details, audience pain points, and fresh content idea in minutes, things that used to take hours. And in writing, you can create engaging email sequences, add topic, or captions with AI prompts instead of starting from the scratch. AI gives you a clean first draft and you polish it with your personality. In designing, platforms like Canva can generate visuals, thumbnails, and social post templates faster than ever. No need to be a professional designer. AI will give you a head start. With these tools, what used to take 10 hours before now takes maybe 1 hour, leaving you more time to focus on strategy and building your system. Point two, AI scales faster. That is in terms of hard automation and analytics. In terms of ads, AI helps you to test faster. Tools like Meta Advantages Plus or Google Ads AI automatically find the best performing audience, creatives, and placements even while you sleep. You stop guessing and start growing. In terms of automation, AI-driven systems like System.io connects your funnel, emails, and payment system automatically. It's like having a 24/7 digital assistant running your business behind the scenes. Then analytics. AI doesn't just collect data, it interprets it. With tools like ChatGPT, you can see what's working, what's not, and what to double down on in seconds. That's how you scale faster without burning out because AI turns your effort into momentum. Then point number three, AI makes consistency easier. AI helps you plan. That is, with tools like ChatGPT, you can create a full month of context in minutes. AI helps you create. Can't record daily. Use AI video editor or voiceover to repurpose one clip into 5 different posts. Then AI keeps you accountable. Automation tools like System.io helps you schedule uploads, tracks your progress, and remind you of upcoming content. So stop chasing motivation, rather build really. So let AI handle the planning, the creation, and posting while you focus on delivering value. Join the AI income system, subscribe to this channel, and click the link below for my daily guide. See you in the next video. Thank you.